out on me, be mad at me, but please, just don't hurt Toothless.
Dragon? That's what you're worried about? Not the people you almost killed?
Just protecting me. He's not dangerous.
They've killed hundreds of us!
And we've killed thousands of them!